Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This a Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The private sector organization for Jamaica, PSOJ, said the government and the opposition must meet right away for work out something because the state of emergency them must come back in. The police said them find 20 guns at the Sangsters International Airport in a Montego Bay, St. James yesterday. The Electoral Office for Jamaica, EOJ, said them prepare for the local government election where go keep next month. West Indies beat England by 9 wickets in a them first T20 match where keep a Kensington Oval in a Barbados on Saturday. Now for the full tour of them. The private sector organization for Jamaica, PSOJ, said the government and the opposition must meet right away for work out something because the state of emergency them must come back in. Nearly 100 people get killed since January 1. According to Keith Duncan, who are the PSOJ president, the gang them a get out of control because the government not do enough, so the state of emergency them must come in back. The government did force to stop the state of emergency in a several police division in a November after the opposition never vote for it in the Senate. The police said them find 20 guns at the Sangsters International Airport in a Montego Bay, St. James yesterday. The gun them get fined at the cargo section at the airport. 40 magazine get fined too. According to Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, who are the head for the Constabulary Corporate Communications Unit, them asked 2 people some question about the gun them get fined. On top of that, she said the police are try find out who send the gun them come out here. Electoral Office for Jamaica, EOJ, said them are prepared for the local government election where go keep next month. Under the Representation for the People's Act ROPA, the election can't keep no later than February 27, 2022. According to Glasspool Brown, or the Director for Elections, them start look for people for work already and them are put in tighter COVID-19 rule. The local government election them did get put off because of the pandemic. In November 2020, Desmond Mackenzie, or the Minister for Local Government, did bring one bill for put off the election till no later than February 2022. Gunman shot and kill one businessman I'm yard in a Tree Hill, St. Mary yesterday because he never give them him license gun. The dead man are Wayne Williams, who people call Norman. According to the police report, around 11 a.m. in the morning, gunman go to the businessman yard. Them ask him for him gun and when them not get it, them shot him. After that, them go in the house and check him wife and she give them the gun. The gunman them get to after that. Williams dead at hospital. Police are asking everybody else for find 80 years old Linda Walker who come from Panton Street in a Old Harbour, St. Catherine. She missed her from yesterday. She dark and slim and about 5 foot long. According to the report from the Old Harbour police, around 2 p.m. people last see Walker in her yard. She did have one green blouse, blue jean skirt and a pair of grey and white slippers. Nobody no see or hear from her after that. The Old Harbour police asked anybody who know which part Linda Walker there for call them pan 876-983-2255, 119 are the nearest police station. Now for sports. West Indies beat England by 9 wickets in a them first T20 match where keep a Kensington Oval in a Barbados on Saturday. Ola get 4 wickets for 7 runs and England get bowled out for 103 runs. West Indies did send in England for bat first and at one time them did the 49 and lose 7 wickets. West Indies bat off the run and only lose 1 wicket. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. My name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.